Have you ever slept through your alarm, overthought your outfit so much that you changed 8 different times? An optimist, and always think that you have more time than you really do, causing you to be late to start your day. Because of this, I always have a backup plan. You know, it's gotta always be face ready for this.
I am on the next level, next level, next level. You know all I know is go and get it, go and get it, go and get it. I am on the next level, next level, next level.
So we're going to be talking about the 6 must-have Glossier makeup items for your purse. Yes. So I've been using Glossier for a while now, just basically because of the simplicity of it, and discovered that you could definitely get a full face of makeup, the whole kit and caboodle, sorted with just 6 items, which is pretty fantastic if you ask me. All items fit in a little pouch. In this little pouch, you could probably even fit it in smaller than this. Throw it on in your purse, your backpack, your mom bag, whatever it may be. So you're always ready to go, you know, at moment's notice. Without further ado, let's look at the 6 must-have items. The first one is the Perfecting Skin Tint. I got this one in light, the lightest color that you can get, because I am the lightest color you can get, so what it calls for is to blend upward and outward for sheer coverage and instant dewiness. I was kind of skeptical at first because I wasn't quite sure if this would really do much, that it wouldn't help, you know, I get blemishes here a lot, or in other words, just a nice word of saying zits, pimples, yeah. Sometimes I just get them there, I get some like redness right here, but that's basically all I need it for. I always am looking for the most thin, natural looking coverage I can get, so I will have to say I was happily surprised with this. Smoothing out the imperfections and sort of just giving enough coverage to give you that nice, just fresh-faced, still looking natural, not looking like I caked on a bunch of stuff. The next one is the Cloud Paint. The Cloud Paint is one that I've been using for a while. I absolutely am obsessed with this. It does say that it has some collagen in it, which I think probably helps the situation, and the way it blends in with your skin for me is perfection. For best results, apply with fingertips. Easy. Gently squeeze a tiny dot onto finger and blend onto cheek. Add more as you wish. The feel of it on your skin is super soft, almost as if it was just another moisturizer. The next one is the Haloscope. I got quartz. I am always on the search for the perfect highlighter, and I think I may have found it in Haloscope. I always feel like with highlighters, sometimes they're too highlighty, if that makes sense. The same as everything else, the way it just blends into your skin just really gives you that natural dewiness. Dewiness is the word of the day, I guess. Healthy glow that every lady's looking for, you know? Again, bold statement, but maybe the perfect highlighter. For me, anyways. Okay, so the next one is Lidstar in Cub. It's like a liquid eyeshadow, basically, like a really pretty rose gold. And it really just gives you that nice liquidy dewiness on the eye, which is something I've definitely been looking for. You can add more to sort of make it darker, or you can just put a little bit on just for a really light touch of the color. Feel of it on my eyelids is definitely like when you're putting it on, it feels a bit heavy at first, feeling a little gooey, but then once it kind of dries, you don't even really notice that it's there. It's still rocking its color by the end of the day. And the next one, the Boy Brow, which I think is their #1 seller. Mine, of course, is in brown. And yeah, I do love this stuff. The only thing for me is that I absolutely do not like my eyebrows. I do actually like to fill them in, like add a little bit of length, so it doesn't do that. But it's amazing for filling in the color and as a pomade. I used to have gorgeous, gorgeous eyebrows. And in my awkward teens, I had to go and pluck the crap out of them because Monica and Rachel and friends had the thin eyebrows, so of course I had to. Yeah, a little upset about it. And last but not least, the Lash Slick. I think my favorite thing about this mascara is the brush. The brush has those little baby teeth, the little baby bristles. I don't know what you call them, really. But yeah, the brush is fantastic because it doesn't clump, but it's like nice and firm, so it just gets that mascara on those lashes, which is what you want in a mascara. I wouldn't say it does anything fancy. It doesn't like magically revolutionize your eyelashes by any means. It definitely adds the color, the length, and doesn't clump. So yeah, so that's it for today. 6 must-have items by Glossier for your purse. At this point, I'm using it every day, not even on the days that I'm running late, just because I'm loving how easy peasy it is. If you liked this episode, give it a thumbs up or comment below. And as always, subscribe for future weekly episodes. All right, we'll be chatting soon. Bye.